how to open wallet on the lock screen of the iPhone 16 series. So first, from your lock screen, you can see the phone is locked at the moment. So to open up the wallet, we're going to double click on the side button. So here you press on it twice, 1, 2, and this will open up your wallet ready for payment. Now, if you double click on this button and nothing opens, then you need to set up your wallet. So let's first go back to your lock screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on settings. Next, you want to go down and tap on Face ID and passcode, and then enter your passcode. Now we scroll down, and one of the check you need to do is to make sure wallet is enabled. So make sure you enable wallet so that you can access wallet directly from the lock screen. So that's one thing. The next thing is you need to set up your wallet in Apple Pay. So in here, make sure you have set up a payment card. If there is no payment card, you need to have at least one. And if there is no payment card set up, then wallet will not open. So you need to add in a payment card for your wallet to work and open. Once you have set this up, you can then go to your lock screen, and when you need to make a payment, you can double click on the side button to open up your Apple Wallet. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.